up in LPS town, there was an airport, a very good one. And there was an airplane that was just out. Mom, where are we going? Whoa! The crash. And the kitten died. And the cat. So that means he died. And the kitten did. Ta-da! But LPS Town wasn't a happy place anymore. It was sad. 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 The kitten's mom talked about it. She died on a plane. She was only 6, and she forgot to bring me. I know. So sad. No, let me go. We're going on the airplane. No, I'm the evil commander. Let me go. No, I'm not letting you go. Ah! Again, the airplane crashed, and it bang. And one of them, but the other kitten died. I'm going to rule the world. That was the end of Shelley and Grape. No, not Grape, not Grape. And the other driver died. And then that. And P.S. Town wasn't a happy place. It was dark.
Anybody else is on the ground in the judgment.
Oh, sorry.